morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today, my name is Vishal Piste. Today, we are going to learn mathematics, and I am from Sivdi Crossroad MPS. Today, we are going to learn a special part that generally we don't have means a limited part in our syllabus, but it is most important part, and that is geometry. The
Geometry.
interesting, yes, the interesting part of mathematics, that is geometry, because in day to day life we see many geometrical figures, so that's why it is our close to our heart or our day to day life. In that, today we are going to learn these subtopics like angles and types of angles, parallel lines, perpendicular lines, triangle, square, and a rectangle. These are some subtopics we are going to learn in geometry. So we start.
Angle and types of angle. Let's
Angle and
first.
types of angle. In that, the first point is point. What is point? The point is an indefinite line that can be drawn through a given point. It means that in a geometry we can locate any point with a dot which has no
Yes.
which has no
Yes.
size, which has no width, no length, and also no depth. It is just a dot. It looks like this.
Yes.
Point, and we can read it as point A, point
Point
B,
B, point
point
C.
likewise. Now the next geometrical figure is
Line.
line. Line means what? One and only line which can be drawn through two given points. Whenever we
Yes.
draw whenever we draw 2 points on a plane and we join that points with each other, we get a line. And line is a straight which has no bend and it has no thickness, and it extends with both direction without end, means it extends infinitely. It looks like this. From both end it get extended, and it that has no limit. It means that it is limitless, or we can say it as it is infinity. Now line segment. What is line segment?
The
Line
part
segment, read it.
the part of a line that contacts 2 points. It is
Huh,
the shortest distance between the 2 points. It has a length.
very good. The part of a line that connects 2 points. We saw that a line which has no end, both two ends are endless. But in that, if we cut in two parts of that line, we get a line segment, that is the shortest distance between 2 points, and it has a particular length. It has particular length, but line does not have a limited length. It is limitless, or it is infinity. But line segment have a length. It looks like that 2 points joined each other, and we get a line segment. Line segment is a part of a line, shortest part of a line. Now the next is ray. Ray can be defined as a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. It means that it starts from a one end, but it does not have a end point. Likewise, it is just as similar as line,
Yes.
but not 100% similar to line. Line has two ends, two limitless ends, but ray have one end point and another is not have a fixed end point. Okay, that is one is a starting point and another is no end point. The next part is angle.
Angle. ray.
In this picture, we can
Yes.
say that there is a blue ray and red ray.
Purple. Yes.
Red,
Purple vertex.
yes. That is ray 1, it is in blue line, blue color, and ray 2, it is in red
Red
color.
color. And
That
red
two rays are joined, and that joining point is called vertex. And the figure which is made by joining two rays is called angle. An angle has a vertex, that is a vertex B. It is a only one vertex, that is called vertex B. Here is you can see that angle ABC. In that one arm is ray BA and ray BC. These are two arms joined to the vertex B and create an angle.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how to read an angle? So we can read it as angle
B
angle
or ABC.
not only ABC. You say it as angle ABC
Angle
or
ABC or angle CBA.
very good. It is read it as angle B or angle ABC or angle CBA.
CBA.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Protector.
This is a protractor. What it is used for? It is used to measure an angle. It has 180 points or 180 angles. From left side to right side, we get 0 to 180 measurement, and from right side to left side also, the measurement is also 0 to 180 degree. We can measure angles. Usually we measure angles by this protector. You can see here a baseline, that is line JN, and the center point L. So angle KLM, you can see that angle KLM, angle MLN, and angle KLJ. These are three angles you can see here. In that, angle MLN measures 60 degree. Here you can see that the green part,
Yes.
that is measurement is 60 degree, which measures from right side of protractor, that is from N side. Then if we want to measure from left side, we can start from left side, that is 0, 10, 20 up to 90, that is K, angle K. It measures 90 degree, that is right angle. And here is angle MLN, that is acute angle. We can see next in next part. That is type of angle.
Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. There are three types of angle in our syllabus. In that, the small angle, that is acute angle, it looks like angle ABC, which is less than 90 degree. Okay.
Okay.
So how to measure acute angle, or what is acute angle?
An angle.
Read it.
An angle measuring more than 0 and less than 19 degree. 0 degree and less than 19 degree is called an acute angle.
Very good.
Thank you.
An angle measuring more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Okay. These are some example. That is acute angle, angle PQR, which measures angle 40 degree. These are also some angles, angle 40 degree, which are less than 90 degree, and it means that this angle is acute angle. Another angle is also measure of 60 degree. It means that it is also less than 90 degree. So it is also acute angle. Always remember that every acute angle is less than 90 degree. Here are some example of acute angles. That is angle of degree 50 degree. Measurement is 53 degree, which is acute angle. Measurement of angle 30 degree is also an acute angle. Measurement of
70,
angle
75
75
degree. It's also acute angle.
acute angle. Measurement is 85.5 degree. Is closest to 90 degree, but not a 90 degree. So it is
Yes,
also a
acute
acute angle. Then
10
measurement is 10 degree, then 45 degree. These all are less than 90 degree
90
angles.
degree.
So these all angles are acute angles.
Yes,
These are our day-to-day life examples. You can see here scissor or crocodile
yes.
or clock or the roadway. These are some example or clock likewise. These are some day-to-day life examples which looks like a acute angle.
Acute angle.
Mhm. Now the right
Right
angle.
angle.
What is right angle? Right angle means an angle of
Angle
measure
90 degree is called right angle.
the accurate measure is of 90 degree, not less than 90 degree, not more than 90 degree. So it is
Per-
right angle,
perfect 90 degree.
perfect 90 degree. So these are some examples of right angle. For example, the square which measures all corners of square are measures 90 degree. Likewise, all corners of rectangles are also measures 90 degree. Right angles of one corner, that is 90 degree, and both the figures which are quadrilaterals are of 90 degree. One in a green figure there is a two corners are of 90 degree, and in yellow or orange figure the one corner is of 90 degree.
90 degree.
So these all figures have a 90 degree angle, that is a right angle. Some real life examples you can see here. That is a window, the corner of window
Window,
of
road, clock,
window, road, clock, chair.
computer, chair.
These have a 90 degree angle. These are real life examples. You can see many examples of a 90 degree in our home also. That two walls are join each other at 90 degree. The uh, door is also, the corner of door is also a 90 degree angle, and the uh, floor is also is of our 90 degree. Many more examples in our day-to-day life which looks like a 90 degree angle or which measures 90 degree. Now this is a obtuse angle. This is a figure of obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle?
An angle measuring more than 90 and less than 180 is
Hmm.
called obtuse angle.
Very good. It means the angle which measures more than 90 degree, but it is less than 180 degree.
180 degree.
So it is called, means the angle starts from 90 degree and ends up to 180 degree or less than 180 degree, not directly 180 degree, less than 180 degree. That is called obtuse angle. Some examples of obtuse angle. This is one of example that measures 130
130
degree.
degree.
That is greater than 90 degree, but less than
180 degree.
180 degree. Very good. Less than 180 degree. These are some examples that measures. First angle measures
118 degree.
118, not 118. 118. Okay.
Yes,
118 degree. Second example's angle is
130 degree.
130 degree. Third example
155 degree.
155 degree. And fourth example is
97 degree.
97 degree. Yes, 97 degree. That is, all angles are more than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. So that is why they all angles are called obtuse angle. These are some examples of real life examples that looks like an obtuse angle in our day-to-day life. You can see that the stairs, clock, hanger. Now the next point is parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Now what is parallel lines? The first point is, what is parallel lines? In geometry, parallel lines are lines in a plane which do not meet each other. It means that two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect or do not meet or do not cross at any point, that is called parallel lines. Do you remember any example of parallel line? Anybody? Okay, we can see here. First is line A
Line
and line B. These both are parallel lines. Now we see that the line is extend from both the sides with infinity up to infinity, both the lines. But are they intersect each other at any point? No, they did not intersect at any point. So that's why they called it as parallel lines. The lines which are not intersect at any point or any place, that lines are called parallel lines.
Yes,
There
sir.
is also line AB and line CD.
Line PQ, line RS.
Yes. So these both lines are, the pair of both lines are not intersect each other up to infinity. They can't meet each other. Likewise, you can see that the railway track, the road lines, railway road of that railway tracks, you can see, are they intersect each other? No,
No.
they did not intersect each other. So that's why we can call it as parallel lines. Also, the above power lines, you can see that the wires or the power lines are also at parallel lines. So that's why they are not intersect each other. Next part is perpendicular line.
Perpendicular line. Perpendicular line are defined as two lines that meet or intersect each other at right angle 90 degrees.
Yes, perpendicular lines are which are meet or intersect each other at 90 degree. 90 degree, we have seen that the measurement of right angle is 90 degree. Whenever it meets at an angle of 90 degree, then it is called perpendicular. If two lines are meet each other and the angles does not form 90 degree, then it is not perpendicular lines. For example, if two lines, line AB and line CD, if they intersect at 45 degree, then are they perpendicular lines? Are they perpendicular lines or not? If two lines, for example, line AB and line CD,
CD.
if they are intersect at 45 degree, are they perpendicular lines? No, they are not perpendicular lines because they does not intersect each other at 90 degree or right angle. Okay, right angles means what? If
Straight line.
straight lines, these are intersect each other. But if I draw here one line and if another line is intersect like this, so this is not a perpendicular line, but it is perpendicular lines. Every time two lines should be meet each other at 90 degree. Measurement should be 90 degree, not like this
Yes, sir.
or not like this also. The angle should be a 90 degree. Every time angle should be
90
90,
degree.
90 degree. You can see here
Yes,
the
sir.
example of perpendicular lines. That is line AB and line CD.
CD.
AB is perpendicular to CD. You can see here AB is perpendicular
Kurkure.
CD. Okay.
हाँ. AB line CD.
AB perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. The sign of perpendicular line.
Okay, sir. AB perpendicular line CD.
Hmm. This is our day-to-day life example, that electric pole, which also shows us a perpendicular line example, and the electric lines which are parallel to each other. We can see here that electric lines or electric wires are parallel to each other, but the pole is perpendicular to the short pole, which is inclined to perpendicular. Now the next figure is triangle. So what is triangle?
Yes. A
What is
triangle is a polygon with three I
edges?
three
Edges.
edges,
Edges.
three edges and three vertices. It
Vertices.
is one of the basic shape in geometry.
Geometry. A triangle is a polygon with three edges. Edges means sides. Sides also called it as
Yes, yes.
edges. Three edges and three vertices. It is one of the basic shape in geometry. For example, a triangle with vertex A, B, C. You can see here A, B, C. These are vertices. Vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C.
C.
So here is also, you can see here three sides: side AB, side BC, and side
CB.
CA. This is side AB, side BC, and this is
Side
side
CA.
CA or side AC. These are three sides, and vertex are vertex A, vertex B, and vertex
Vertex C.
C. And three angles also: angle A, angle
Angle
B,
B.
and
Angle
angle
C.
C also. So here are everything is in three vertices, three angle, and three side or three edges. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So triangle has three vertices, three
Three
sides,
sides, three
and
angles.
three angles. So the next figure is
Square.
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 Square A B
Four.
C D,
A,
or
B, C, D.
or we can read it as square D
Four.
C B A.
D, C,
Square
B, A. B, A,
square.
C. B, A,
Huh,
D, C.
likewise.
A, D, C, B.
A D C B also. A
A
square is a
square is closed.
closed, not a
To
closed. It's closed.
a square is closed to shape,
Dimensional
dimensional shape with four equal sides. A square is a what is this,
quadrilateral.
sir?
It is
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral. Square is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure. Okay. So we can see here a square which is ABCD. You can see that here is every angle measures 90 degree. Here is also these all angles measures 90 degree.
90 degree.
It is also measure 90 degree. It is also measure 90. It is also 90.
90, 90.
It means that these all are perpendicular to each other. We can say it as these all angles are perpendicular to each other, and all sides of a square are equal. Four sides are equal.
Equal.
If the measurement of one side is 5 centimeter, it means that this is also a 5 centimeter, this is also of 5
5.
centimeter, and this is
This
also of
also 5
5
centimeter.
centimeter, because all the sides of square are of equal
Equal.
side or equal measurement.
Yes.
Okay. Because
A
so the
square has
uh,
4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles.
angle, 4 vertices, that is vertex A, vertex B,
Vertex C, vertex D.
D. These are four vertices and four sides. Four sides are which side? Side AB,
AB,
side BC, side CD, and side DA or
C,
AD.
D, D, A.
Four angles. Four angles means angle A, angle
Same.
B, angle C, and angle D.
C, angle D. Mathematics.
And four vertices means vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Okay, these are the some characteristics of square.
25
Now
data.
rectangle. Rectangles is look like a square, but it is not totally 100% same as a square. For example, you see here a figure that angle rectangle ABCD. So tell me the difference between the rectangle and angle in rectangle and square. In square, we saw that the all sides are equal, but in rectangle, are all sides equal? Measurement. Rectangle has two
4.
sides, two opposite sides which are
Yes.
same, and two opposite sides which are same length. But
Same.
the both sides means side CD and side DA, these both sides are not equal. That is, this side is longest side and this is shortest side. This is long side, this is short side. So opposite sides are of equal length and opposite sides of are equal length. So rectangle
Rectangle
has
has 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles.
same like a square. That square also have four vertices, four side, four angle. But difference between square and rectangle is square has four sides equal, but rectangle does not have equal sides. That is, two opposite sides are equal, but all four sides are not equal length. Okay, so the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Each
Each
angle of
angle of rectangle is of 90
90
degree.
degree.
Sum of all angles of
Sum of
right,
rectangle.
right,
It is rectangle.
yes sir, right, rectangle is 360 degree.
360 degree. You can see here. Here is a figure of rectangle, and the measurement of angle D, angle C, angle A, angle
Angle
B.
B.
So the angle D is 90 degree. Angle C is also 90 degree. Angle
Angle
B is
A,
also angle
angle
A.
B is also 90 degree.
So what is the total of angle? These all are measurement. You can also multiply this 90 into 4. So what is 9 for the 36, and this 0 we put here. So 360. The measurement, the sum of
Sir, your
all,
voice is not coming.
the measurement of Abhi. Now I am
Yes,
audible
yes,
to you. Okay.
yes sir.
90 degree multiplied by 4, or 90 is added 4 times, we get an answer 360. So the sum of all sides of rectangle is 360
360
degree. Same as square also. The sum of all angles of square is also 360 degree, because this is also 90 degree, 90, 90, and 90. And whenever we multiply 90 with 4, we get an answer 360 degree. Okay. So today we have learned geometry. In that, we have learned angles, types of angles, then square, rectangle, triangle, ray, line, line segment,
Vertex.
vertex. Now tell me how many vertices are of triangle?
3.
3 vertices. Very good. And for a rectangle, how many vertices are for
4.
rectangle? 4
4.
vertices. Okay. So which instrument is used to measure an angle?
Measuring in degrees.
Degree. But by which instrument?
Protractor.
Protractor.
हाँ,
Protractor. Very good.
protractor.
Protractor, which is a semicircle figure. Which is a semicircle figure, and by which we measure all angles. Which type of lines are not intersect each other?
Which type of lines are not intersect each other?
We see two types of lines: parallel lines, perpendicular lines.
Perpendicular lines.
So in between, which lines are not intersect each other? Perpendicular or parallel?
Yes, perpendicular and parallel lines.
Yes. But are they intersect each other?
No.
Parallel lines intersect each other, or perpendicular lines intersect each other?
Yeah.
Parallel lines are not intersect each other, but perpendicular lines are intersect each other at 90 degree. Okay. And the measurement of acute angle is
Measurement
of acute angle is less than
less
90
than
degree.
90 degree.
And measurement of right angle is 90 degree.
90
And
degree.
measurement of obtuse angle is more than 90
More
degree,
than 90 degree.
but
And
less than
180 degree.
180 degree. Very good. And line segment is a ray which is joined 2 points of a plane, which is line segment.
Two straight line, A line, B line.
Very good.
Line
Okay.
A line.
So today we have learned geometry. I hope you all enjoy the lesson and you understand
Yes.
all the basic points of geometry. Okay. Thank you,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay
Have-
safe. Bye.
Have a nice day to all students, and stay home, stay safe, and keep studying, keep enjoying. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.